Hello po, Shena Marie po, missionary assigned dito sa Butuan City. When I was a little, I never really expected that I will be standing wherever I am standing now. Kasi that time, talagang nakita ko yung sitwasyon ng family ko na kung ano yung nagigain, yun lang din yung pinanggagastos namin sa pang-araw-araw. In short, talagang kulang. Kulang sa pag-aaral namin sa elementary, kulang to provide our needs, even the school supplies. Kulang. Pero ngayon, looking back, class 2022, I graduated. And last days, graduate din po yung kapatid ko sa college. Hindi ko lubos akalain na ganun kabilis yung pangyayari na parang imposibleng mangyari yon noon. Pero ngayon, God made it happen. And hindi lang ako yung graduate, but dalawa kami. O, di ba? Tapos graduate din po yung bunso namin ng elementary. And then, meron na kami dalawang high school and meron kaming isang college. And yung college student namin ngayon is yung kapatid kong lalaki. And I really see that he is really trying his best, and at the same time, sinimulan niya na din yung leadership journey niya sa school mismo. Doon ko nakita na hindi ako pinabayaan ng Lord. Hindi ako pinabayaan ng Lord. At even those impossible in my eyes during past few years is possible and is really happening now. And He did not just bless us with scholarship. He also blessed us with free education. He blessed us with allowances. He blessed us with provisions through our family. Nagkaroon na po ng trabaho yung mama ko. And at the same time, we can also extend help to other people. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga talagang nangangailangan na pumupunta sa bahay. And then ko nakita na our God is not just the God of enough. But siya yung Diyos na talagang nagbibigay generously, that He is the God of much, much more. Amen.